Malawhala hea tu hana, he te tolo da walatala ke latai mai mama hea honei. Kua amanaki e iki whakawhiri lahi ha Niue, koe le lifu ko WW Isaac ke hoko mai he mahina nei ha me, ke lata moi tau whakawhiri anga wala ke le kele he motu ha te tolo. Kua whakamau ke tau se ai whakawhiri anga nei he aho uafunu maono ia me ke hoko atu ke aho tolo fulu ia me he tau nei. Toko uafulu e whakawhiri anga kua whakamau ke tau se he aho ngofua aho uaonu ia me, toko uafulu maono e tau whakawhiri anga kua whakamau ke lata moi aho uafulu mawhitu ia me, toko uafulu mawalu e tau whakawhiri anga kua whakamau ke lata moi aho lotu, aho uafulu mahiva ia me, toko uafulu mataha e tau whakawhiri anga kua whakamau ke tau se he aho tloto he mahina ha me. Hai ai fōki tau o sianga kai tā alafa tupe mai veheanga tupe kai tā alafa mai he whahi ai tupe tupu hake kua whamau ke whamori ai he aho toloto ka usia i tau whakawhirianga wala kere kere. Koe iki whakawhiri lahi koe le lifu ko Isaac ka nofo ai ke he tau whakawhirianga nei. Moi tau osi tau whakawhirianga nei ke he whale ngā hua he whakawhono i whanokula. Kia mātou taki atu ke he whae ngā hua whakawhiri. Kei loa e aho ko whakamau ke whakawhiri, po ke whanongonongo ai hau whakawhirianga wala kere kere. Koe e matanga hua ke whakawhou mo e tutaki do ka vihila he motu, kua hoko atu ke he maanga ko liku, mo e whai whakaholoanga la lafi ki lunga. Ne whakatupe he European Union e whakaholoanga nei, ki lalo hifo he potoanga tupe whasifasi koe EDF 10. Kua mawhala doa e wala ke keri, mo e tuku hifo i tau ka vihila fōu, ka nākai la matutaki i tau ka vihila ke e whakaonga. Ko e rimgo fulu e taua nei ne mai ke liu whakafōa i tau ka vihila he motu, mo e hahai ai fōki i whaulu matakavi fōu ne kua lafi atu ke he whakaholoanga. Talahau he takitaki he whaenga hua hila ko speedo he tutu, kua ngā hua fōki ke he mga honei ke tuku hifo i tau ka vihila mai kai misi, ke whaenga hua moua mo e whakawhano whikau, kai misi ke he whaenga hua papiliki mai he whahi ngā hua papiliki ki te peo, pa papiliki fōki ki tawhalalo pia fōki mo e tau pamu vai ke he tau maanga ko hakupu liku la kepa mo tuapa. Tō whai onoanga e matanga hua ke tamai whalu pulotu, ke kise atu ke taunga hua ne kua tūtaki ai, kua hokosiana kai, ke mai ke whamui tau kawhila nei. Koe whalu he tau whakahaloanga lafi ki lunga ne nākai whakataka ki loto he whasi anga tupe, ke he mga ho whakapā, he matanga hua nei, kai la lafi atu ki ai, ke lata mo e whakalaulahi anga he tau mga ho i mua, ke whakamalalo e tau whahi malalo hila, mua atu hako e tau le kua puna mai, hako e tau hiki anga he matanga. Amanaki ke maupopo e tau whahi ngā hua nei, ke he mahina ha te semo he tau nei. The Department of Justice is very busy organising for the Land Court sitting from 26th to 30th of May this year. The presiding judge is Honourable W.W. Savage, and all hearing is scheduled to be heard at the government building in Whanokula. A total of 95 land cases is scheduled to be heard during this week alone, which is a lot of work for the judge to get through in 1 week. According to the schedule, 20 cases are scheduled to be heard on Monday, 26th of May, 26 cases are scheduled for Tuesday, 28 cases are scheduled for Wednesday, and 21 are scheduled for Thursday, 30th of May 2014. In addition, there are 5 discharge orders from the Niuean Development Bank and 9 charging orders, all scheduled for Thursday, 30th of May 2014. Please contact the Department of Justice to check the date and time for your land court case and make sure that you are there early. Efforts to complete the round, the island power cabling project has now reached Liku. It has been 50 years since the island's power cables were renewed, and the EDF-10 project funded by the European Union for the supply of high-voltage electrical cable is making steady progress. Niuean Power General Manager Speedo Hetutu says that at the moment they are working on joining the cables before they can be used. This component of the project will require staff to work on the cable straight joiners and also transformers joiners. The first phase of the project is now complete, but project coordinators alluded to the fact that they are seeking additional funding to finish off the remaining part. Speedo Hetutu says some of these were not in the budget, but have been included for future developments and resilient power supply in relation to the climate issues. Work yet to be done is to lay down about 9 kilometres of cable in Alofi from Kaimisi to Telecom, Kaimisi to Public Works to Tapiu, and Public Works to Tafalalo. There is also the cabling to the water bore pumps in Hakupu, Liku, Lakepa and Tuapa. The project will seek assistance for observers to ensure the joining work is done satisfactorily before everything is connected and live. With a fair bit of work left to do, Niuean Power is looking to complete the project by December. And here's our news from around the region. Leaders of forum members countries meeting in the Cook Islands agreed to reinvigorate their efforts towards regional cooperation and integration under the Pacific Plan. Attending the Special Leaders Retreat on Monday, leaders considered the 2013 review of the Pacific Plan, led by Sir Makere Morauta, former Prime Minister of Papua New Guinea. Leaders also expressed their appreciation for the comprehensive work of Sir Makere Morauta and his review team. The current chair of the forum, President Loic of the Marshall Islands, welcomed the productive discussions and outcomes of the meetings. Speaking after the meeting, Prime Minister Puna of the Cook Islands emphasized the importance of political leadership, discussing the challenges and opportunities for region. The Secretary-General of the Pacific Island Forum Secretariat, Tuiloma Nironi Slade, welcomed the outcomes of the meeting. The ruling People's National Congress Party has increased its membership to 52 MPs, making it the largest political party in Papua New Guinea. Vice Ministers for Works De Kawanu, Vice Minister for Finance Benjamin Phillip, and Talasea MP Francis Maris joined the party on Monday night to further boost their numbers at the National Parliament reconvened yesterday for the May session. The arrival of the new recruits compelled the party leader and Prime Minister Peter O'Neill to declare that it was a testimony to the party's structure, policies and commitment to the country and its future, which attracted the politicians. The increase in the party's membership follows the sacking of Kandep MB and the party leader Don Poyle as Treasurer and Mark Maipakai as the Labour and Industrial Relations Minister. Despite the sacking, O'Neill kept other members of the party in the government and the National Executive Council. The European Union, EU, is looking forward to fully re-engage with Fiji government. Since 2007, government-to-government cooperation was suspended by the European Union. But with elections only 4 months away, full-scale re-engagement seems very realistic now. The EU has provided technical assistance towards the elections with expertise for the elections office and will soon assist with training of those who will man the polling stations during elections. Ambassador Jacobs feels the progress towards election has been positive. Fiji's Foreign Affairs Minister Ratu Inoke Kabuabola says the government is still to go through its process on the work and holiday visa program which is hoped to be established with Australia. Speaking to Fiji Live, Ratu Inoke said the government is still to decide on how to reciprocate the new visa initiative for the benefit of Australian and Fiji youths. The visa program will follow Fijian youths. I'll read that again. The visa program will allow Fijian youths between the age of 18 to 30 to work and study while on an extended holiday of up to 12 months in Australia. Australian Senator Brett Mason has said the go-ahead of the program depends on whether the Fijian government can offer the same arrangement for Australian youths. Meanwhile, Fiji's senior diplomats are in the country discussing how our foreign policies can make more impacts. And finally, the International Federation of Red Cross and Red Crescent Society has launched an emergency appeal for $1.4 million to help the Solomon Islands Red Cross Society continue to deliver emergency humanitarian assistance to more than 20,000 people. It is 1 month since the worst floods in the Pacific nation's history killed 22 people, destroyed homes and properties, and several disrupted the lives of more than 50,000 people, 10% of the country's population in the capital Honiara and surrounding plains in Guadalcanal province. Red Cross now has 90-strong team of volunteers, as well as local and international emergency staff working around the clock. Water and sanitation teams have so far purified and delivered more than 1 million litres of clean water to evacuation centres in Honiara and the rural communities in Guadalcanal Plains. And those are our news for today.